Hi guys, I did a couple of cycles, well a few cycles of charge and discharge with the Epsom Salts and stainless steel battery. I've left it today with the little solar panel charging it. It's now 4 o'clock at night, or 4 o'clock in the evening. The sun, well, we didn't have any sun today anyway, but the sun's well down and it's raining. It was giving us about 2 point something volts. It's dropping right down now to under a volt from the panel. So if I disconnect it, we'll be able to see how long she runs for. When I started doing this, it was only a matter of seconds. When I tried it this morning, it was closer to about 5 minutes. But being as it's rapidly running down now anyway, well, we'll find out. If we disconnect this and start that, and see how long it runs for. Probably can't actually see the timer, can you? Well, you might be able to. I would expect it to stop any second now anyway. Gosh, I don't know if you can see. No, you probably can't. Over here there's a light flashing, which is one of the solar lights coming on when it gets dark. Yeah, I think we can say she's still going. 0.6 and a bit. When it gets below 0.6, she just shakes rather than rocks. Yeah, we'll call that it, and that's about 1 minute 40 seconds. Because it might have been an idea to put a diode in series with the little solar panel so it couldn't actually drain away again through the panel. Didn't think of that. What I'll do now, rather than the solar panel, I'll just give it a quick boost from this lithium-ion battery. So we'll disconnect her so we don't actually put all the current through her. Right, that's pretty well flat, 3.3 volts. In fact, that's about as low as we should let it go. I need to recharge that. We'll give it a minute of charge. Okay, that's about a minute. See how quickly it drops away. Stop that. Is that going to sit there? No, it's not going to sit there. Right, so it's just below 2 volts there now. Let's connect her up, start that. That's 2 minutes. Three minutes. I won't be able to tell whether you can see this until I actually play the video back. Is that any better? I don't know why they've got such light colours. I don't know if there's a setting we can change on it to change the colours. We're down to 0.8 millivolts there. Four minutes. On that bigger battery I made, she went for much longer, but then it's a much bigger capacity, isn't it? 5 minutes, down to 0.75 millivolts. Let the battery run out on the camera first. Six minutes. Oh, she's going to stop. Just about. Yeah, that's it. Well, that's 7 minutes. And she's still just about rocking. It's just dropped below the 0.7 millivolts. So it depends how far you want to measure it, counting her as moving. She's certainly not rocking as she was. So I reckon we had 7 minutes of rocking time from a 1 minute charge. Well, that's 8 minutes. And we're down to about 0.65 millivolts. 6.6. We could stay here for ages, couldn't we? Well, that's 9 minutes and she's still moving. This is just getting to be a ridiculously long video now, isn't it? Seems to have sort of more or less settled around that 0.6 something millivolts. It is dropping. I think once it gets below the 0.6, then she's not going to be doing much. 10 minutes. Seems to have had a second wind, doesn't she? She's actually going better now. That's crazy. "11 minutes. Definitely slowed now, haven't we? Down to 0.59 occasionally now. I think she'll, as I said earlier, I think she'll go on twitching for much longer. That's 12 minutes. I think I'll stop the video there because this is this is boring now, isn't it? Let's be honest. But that was a 1 minute charge and she's still twitching 12 minutes later. We're still getting 0.6 or 6 millivolts. Just for reference, she has stopped moving. Battery's still showing about half a volt, and that's 44 minutes. On the experiments that Lidmotor does, he's just lighting a small LED with a little circuit on it to get the best out of the small amount of voltage and current available. So I expect his little LED would still be flashing, but my solar rocker isn't. Just went in close in case she gave a little twitch while we were looking. No. So yeah, there's voltage in there, but there's not enough to make her move. That's after 44 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.